Just want to say Happy New Year. It is the 3rd, I think, 2nd or 3rd of the new year. And just to start out the new year, I wanted to kind of tell you of an example of financing a job. Anytime that I can do that, I really enjoy being able to do that for people. So I'm actually sitting at a restaurant right now. This is a good example. I have a good friend that I've done signs for years, and I've never financed anything. He's always paid cash, but he's like, I really want to change a sign from HO lamps. If you're a sign company, you understand they're high output lamps, 10 footers, and instead he wants to convert a pole sign over to LED lighting. And so I calculated it all up for him, and I'm excited to show you this. But this is the pole sign that we're going to be doing. So it's just a small job, not very big. The job is only going to be about less than $2,000, but I wanted to show you from start to finish. So I actually figured out everything that was needed. I itemized it out for them so that they would understand how much it would cost. And, you know, not just a blanket. It is if you've read my book, or if you've watched some of the videos, I itemized it out exactly. So, it wasn't straight numbers like, $400 for install, that sort of thing. I actually itemized each thing out so that they know that, I'm not trying to rip them off at all. They saw where all of their cost was going. So with that, the really cool thing about it is because of that, they had no questions on it. I figured out the down payment, the payment at completion. He actually handed me a check. I'm just gonna go like this so that you can see. But let's see, we'll go like that, because I don't want his account number and stuff. But he just handed me a check for $600, which is the small deposit. The estimate, signed the bottom of the estimate, and now I'm on my way to already ordered the material and stuff. But yeah, it's that simple. And now another job done and done. So just, this one's going to be a small one of like $38 a month, something like that. So it's pretty simple to do. And I'll let you know more as I continue on with this job. But yeah, it's a down payment, payment of completion, another small job, $38 a month coming in, and it's a done deal. So talk to you later.